Hey everybody, welcome to Excel How to Start series. In day 1, the link will appear here and you can find it in the description as well. We spoke about Excel user interface and the ribbon, cells and cell address, selection and navigation, and different cursor types. In day 2, we will continue exploring Excel user interface. Hello everyone, welcome to morethanexcel.com. My name is Mahmoud Basyouni. If you just joined us, please subscribe or follow our pages and surely do not forget to like our content. A small recap, in this tutorial, I'm using Microsoft 365 Excel. Therefore, some of the features might be different in the previous versions of Office. However, in the recent versions 2019-2016, you will still find the same functionalities. Let's continue talking about Excel user interface. On the top, in the Windows title bar, on the top left, we have the saving section. Some of you might have the quick access toolbar here, and some of you might have it below the ribbon, and you also might have it hidden. Next to it, the name of your file, a search section, your username, comments section, and share button. Below the Windows title bar, we have the ribbon that has many tabs, then the name box, and the formula bar. Then we have our grid of rows, columns, and cells. On the right, we have a vertical scroll bar. Below the grid, from the left, we have Sheets arrow navigation, then our sheets, a horizontal scroll bar, and in the bottom of my interface, we have the status bar. In the saving section, autosave is deactivated, since my file isn't saved yet. If I click on it, Excel will ask me which OneDrive you want to use to save your work in. Next to it, there is the Save icon. Once I click on it, a message box appears asking for the file name and to choose a location to save in. We can also access it by pressing Ctrl S or through File, Save. Or even better, to get the original Save As dialog, we will press F12 and save our file. I will create a new folder in my OneDrive for this course. Let's call it How to Start and name my file Introduction-01. The name of the file changed to Introduction-01 and the autosave icon is turned on, which means now that if I click on this small arrow next to the name, I can rename the file, or even better, I'm able to see its version's history once I have done some activities in it. For the quick access toolbar, as mentioned earlier, it can be above the ribbon or below it, or it's just hidden. So this small arrow isn't shown. So just right-click on the Save icon and choose Show Quick Access Toolbar. If you want, you can hide it, but believe me, it's a great tool sometimes. So let's show it. For now, let's move it above the ribbon. Right-click on it and choose Show Quick Access Toolbar above the ribbon. If I click on this small arrow, I have some default button that can be added to it. Let's add New, Undo, and Redo. We just need to click and they will be added. Once you have more practice in Excel, a good thing is to start memorizing shortcuts, and Excel helps you knowing them. Like, if I hover the new button, it will tell you the name of the button, and it will also give you the shortcut if it exists. Like here, it's Ctrl N. For the undo button, it's Ctrl Z. And for the redo button, it's Ctrl Y. In addition to the above, any functionality in Excel could be added to the Quick Access toolbar. We just press again this small arrow and click on More Commands. We can choose from this drop-down Popular Commands, or one of the categories, or choose All Commands. Let's look for Save As. Here it is. We click on it, then click Add. Before clicking OK, take the time to look at all the customization we can make to the Quick Access toolbar. Its position, to show commands label, or if you want to import or export your settings. Let's click OK. And the Save As is added to the Quick Access toolbar. My personal preference is to have the Quick Access toolbar located under the ribbon. So we just right-click anywhere in the Quick Access toolbar and choose Show Quick Access toolbar below the ribbon. The Quick Access toolbar moved to under the ribbon. On the bottom right of the ribbon, there is this small arrow. If we click on it, we can change how the interface is displayed. We can enter full screen mode. To exit full screen mode, we just click on these three dots and then click again on the small arrow and choose our second option, Show Tabs Only. The ribbon only displays the tab title. And the third option is to always show the ribbon. To switch between the Show Tabs Only and always show the ribbon, there is a shortcut that we covered in our previous day, which is Ctrl F1. For the ribbon, name box, and formula bar, we already covered them in day 1. The link will appear here too. In the bottom left corner, we have sheet navigation arrows. And as discussed in day 1, this little plus sign let us create new sheets. If I keep clicking on it, I will create as many sheets as needed. Once there is no more space to show all the sheets, those arrows become active and allow me to navigate to the right or left to see my sheets. But we can also right-click on them. A small window appears and let me choose which sheet I want to navigate to. If I right-click on a sheet, I have a set of options. I can insert, delete, rename, and move or copy. If we click on Move or Copy, I can select where this action will take place in the same workbook, or other workbook that are opened, or a completely new workbook. Then I'm able to specify its placement, like moving it to the end of the sheets or at the start, and decide if I want to copy it. I will just check this little box, Create a Copy. I can also add some space for my sheets by dragging those three dots and reducing the size of the horizontal scroll. Below the horizontal scroll bar, I have the status bar. If I right-click on it, it gives me some status of the current workbook. Later on, we will use it to look at the sum, count, minimum, or maximum of a specific range selected. I also have shortcuts to workbook views, normal, page layout, and page break preview. Then I have the zooming slider with a minus and plus buttons. I can also click on the percentage and choose or type the zooming percentage I want. I hope that was a quick and informative introduction to Excel. Please take the time to like, comment, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. See you soon on morethanexcel.com.